Model, 2011 Vauxhall Vivaro Trafic 2700 Sportive Cdti, very long MOT, ready to drive away. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 182,122. MOT, the 30th of August 2025. Engine, 1995 CCM9RA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average condition, still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 3 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.